Importance of sequences and series. I think there is a great deal of interest in sequences and series in mathematics. And to me, there lies their importance. Their relative importance will probably lead to a variety of opinions, I'm sure. I've been playing around with sequences and differences of terms since I knew anything about formal mathematics, since I was a boy. Anytime I saw that kind of a puzzle in a magazine or a book, I immediately jumped to try to figure out the answer. Sequences give powerful insight into natural numbers. Finding common differences or patterns, why the numbers are produced this way or that way, is very fascinating and intellectually stimulating. Series are extremely essential to the calculus. And being an engineer, series also apply in their importance to engineering data. Engineering analysis of data, where many types of functions can be represented as series of some manipulation of the natural numbers. For some, importance of sequences and series will include the following. The behavior of any company stocks in financial markets follow a certain sequence, perhaps. Or, for that matter, we can predict how long it will take for that company's financial assets to double in market value. With the help of number sequences and series formulas, you can perform quantitative analysis, financial and business analysis to help you in the important business and investment decisions. It's widely used by managers and business executives to handle complex business situations like risk analysis, forecasting, and data analysis, competitive analysis, and so much more. For engineers, data sets can be investigated to show trends and patterns that can be studied, expanded upon to result in improvements in production efficiencies, overcoming quality concerns, raw material usage, and much more. Being able to identify trends and patterns can enable critical thinking and positive decision making. Here are two series that I find interesting. In mathematics and computer science, the Rachman's sequence is a well-known sequence, defined by recurrence relationship, because its elements are related to the previous elements. To help visualize the numerical sequence, please see the animation displayed, an audio based on the Rachman's sequence. It's quite remarkable. Another sequence, which I feel is even more interesting, is the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers, where each number is the sum of previous two numbers. The numbers in the sequence have extraordinary mathematical properties and can be found in patterns all throughout nature.